I started writing a horror story on my phone last night. Just a quick draft. No title, no ending, nothing special. I set the phone down on my nightstand and went to sleep. A little while later, at exactly 3:33 a.m., my phone buzzed. Notification. Draft updated. That's weird. I opened it. There were new lines. Lines I hadn't written. He's breathing faster now. And then another. He thinks this is a dream. My hands started shaking. I managed to type out, "Who's writing this?" The cursor blinked, then moved on its own. "You are," it typed. "I'm just describing." Before I could even process that, a new sentence appeared. He just looked up from his phone. I froze, my heart pounding in my chest. Then the final line typed itself out, word by chilling word. And now, he knows. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories.